good afternoon again. Although it's a recorded lecture, it doesn't matter. But today we're going to learn, according to our NCHMCT component, it's the service of water. Now, as we all know, the water is classified into two parts. One is actually three parts. There is RO water, there is a mineral water, and there is a sparkling water. We don't have it right now, the sparkling water. We'll let you know after some time. As we know, the famous sparkling water of the world, like Perrier, Evian, San Pellegrino, all these things. So that will take a look in a later time. But as of now, we'll just take a look how to serve a basic water. To facilitate this thing in a proper way, we got some guests with us. Shift your camera. So they're going to facilitate our learning in a better way. Okay. Now, please take a look. What are the prerequisites we need to follow this thing in a proper way? First, obviously, it's a standard method. We need in highball glass. Okay. Then followed by, we also need coasters. Obviously, it's an Aichi Gwalior. When you go to a Taj Hotel or Oberoi Hotel, the brand will be imprinted on top of that. That's your RO water, which you have right now in the jug. And then followed by, extremely sorry. This is your bottle of mineral water. We all know it's available everywhere. That's known as Aquafina. Followed by, we also need a salver, or we can also call this a beverage round. So that's how we're going to start this thing, okay? So now it's time to welcome the guests and serve them a nice quality of water. So welcome and good afternoon to everybody to Aichi Gwalior, okay? Ma'am, I'm going to entertain these two guests first, then I'll let you go, okay? Fine? Yes. Alright, fine. It's table for two, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Table for two? Right. So please, ma'am, come forward. So please, my cameraman, please come 3, 2, 1. Carry on. Let's take a look at this fact. This is a very, very wrong concept in a 5-star hotel. Dragging the chair. So that's the reason since the guests come and drag the chair, look at the concept, what we have to do. Please, ma'am, come over here. So I can put my right leg forward, okay? And as you can see, I will just lift this chair up and it will come over like this. Please, ma'am. And once the guest is here, I'll put my left leg forward and then so it's the signal that the guest has to say right now. Same thing, we follow exactly the same pattern over here. So, welcome. I'll put my right leg forward, drag the chair back, and once the guest go inside this panel, then I'll put the left leg forward and hit on the guest leg. So, guest got an indication. The waiter is telling me to sit on the table because I'm hitting in his legs. Okay. Take a look at another important aspect. Since we all know that there is a lady and there is a gentleman sitting with us, I need to unfold the napkin. Okay. This is a courtesy once again. Now, since he is a lady and I am a male waiter, obviously I'm not going to put this on her lap. That's a very unethical service. What I'm going to do, I'll just leave it like this. So the guest will pick up this napkin by his hand. Please pick up. Yeah. And she will pick it on her lap, put it on her lap like that. This is a very essential napkin unfolding ethics. Okay. Now, since he's a gentleman and I'm a gentleman, obviously there's a problem. So I'm going to open the napkin and then I can serve. Please allow me to hold the napkin. That's better, but you cannot do it with case of a female guest. That's a very unethical service to do. Right now, so I'm going to ask them that whether, yes ma'am, what you like to have?
Can you get some water, please?
Alright, water. Yes sir, what you like to have, sir? Okay, so ma'am, we also have an RO water as well as mineral water. Which
I would like to have a mineral water.
Okay, fine. Sir, what water would you like to prefer? RO water. Right, fine. Okay. So now we will bring up everything and we'll serve. Right? To get it two ways. So the guest has ordered for RO and that's the bottle. It's too complicated thing, right? So this two thing, first we need to place the glass on the table. And please understand one thing that since there is a two glasses are there, so problem is we cannot carry the jug with ourselves. That's the reason we have to avoid this thing. So first we'll go and replace the glass. As we all know that always the lady has to be served first. But if the lady plays an role of a host, if the guest, if the lady become the malik or the lady is going to pay me the money, obviously then he will turn into a host. Then the concept will change. I'll have to serve the host. Guest first because she is a host. Okay, so this is the basic concept. Host will be served later. Doesn't matter if it's a male or female. Okay, so we follow the normal ethics that says that they serve the lady first. I'll put my right leg forward, as you can take a look. Put it on the left hand side, and then I bring. Now take a look at this example. I cannot put it like this because if the guest is tall and decided to lift up, then there is a problem. What I'm going to do, I'll just place it over here, and now I'm going to serve the glass. Okay. turn back again, go to the guest, or there's a male guest. Then once again the same thing, I'll just also forward the right leg. Now the problem is when I forward this right leg, it will automatically come over top of this head. This is once again very dangerous thing. But it requires lots of practice. Once you start doing it, it will just, like after holding salar for almost 8 years, my hand will automatically go over there. But for you, it requires lots of practice. So now it's here. I'll place the coaster and followed by I'll place the glass. Okay, right? It's done now. So now I'll move back again and I go to my side station. This is my side station. And here you take a look. I'm going to pick up my mineral water. So that's your mineral water. Okay, I'm going to come first. The first thing is approval and authentication. Okay. So ma'am, this is your mineral water. And you can just check the temperature. Is it room temperature or not?
Yes,
It's better. Okay. So the guest has said that it's okay to go. Now what are you going to do? Take a look at this. Very interesting. This is the bottle. Hold it like this, right leg forward. While I am serving, to keep one thing in mind, this Aquafina brand should be visible towards the guest's eyes, that she can see the guest, or to see the brand, that I am serving the right thing or not. So now go, like what you do is you just open the bottle first, that's most important, and then I'm going to put. Now remember one thing, very careful, because the bottle is full. When you turn the bottle, the water will generally drop. Okay. So we will serve the water like this. Take a look what I am doing. When the water is in the end, we'll pick it up like this and turn the bottle. This is very interesting. We're going to turn this bottle. We'll do it again. Pour, it's filling up. Now turn the bottle. Now why it is done like that? Because to avoid the water will spill, if there is any, it will going to cover the entire neck. It will not fall down on the cloth. Okay? Right? So now, do we need to take this bottle back? Never do it, because the guest has paid 250 rupees plus taxes for this bottle, so it will stay on the table, right? But now we're going to time is for the RO water or jugs. Now here we need an interesting thing which is known as a serviette. Why we need a serviette at this point of time? We need a serviette at this point of time because there is a possibility of spillage once again. So we're going to hold the jugs like this. We'll come to the sir again. Take a look what I'm going to do. Sir, may I pour you some RO water, right? So you say yes. So right leg forward again. Take a look at this very interesting fact. This hand will go back here. It will fall down. Take a look at this angle. You can see there is an angle. So we'll put this jug here. Go, and now I'm going to pour over it. Okay. Done. So no twisting of bottle, because since it's a jug. And now there is a possibility that the water droplets might fall from here straight away end. So to avoid this, what are you going to do? We will, I'm going to take this jug back. This hand will open up again, and I'm going to cover it here, and then I'll come back. So because if there is any droplet by chance, it will get absorbed in the serviette. That's the reason it has to be done like this. But yes, guest has not bought the entire RO osmosis plant of the hotel, so this should not be kept on the jug. This is a very, like roadside dhaba style service, which we'll never going to do. It will go back to the table, side station. But yes, jug has to be there. Okay. So before I leave, I should say the guests, please enjoy your water, and may I take a leave, please, so you can have your water and I can come back, please. All right, that's it from my side, and thank you very much.